How to create a second YouTube channel with the same email. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to create a second YouTube channel with the same email address on your mobile device. But before I show you this, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you want to do is head over to your web browser such as Google Chrome and go to the YouTube website. Click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and ensure you have the desktop site button checked. This is the third option up from the bottom. Once you've got that checked, tap on the profile button in the top right hand corner and then tap on settings. On this next page, on the left, ensure that you have account selected, and if you do, head over to the middle under your YouTube channel where it says add or manage your channels. Tap on that option, and here in the middle you can see it says create a channel, so tap on that one. So on this next page, this is where you add in your channel name. So think of your new channel name. So mine's going to be tips for noobs 2. Then check the checkbox, then tap on create. And as you can see, all you need to do now is verify your account by putting in your phone number. It would either send you a text message or a voice call, it's your choice. And once you've done that, just follow the steps and you would have created your second account. And that's all it takes to create a second YouTube account with the same email address. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.